Hi Paula and everyone at Heanton. I hope you're all okay. I just wanted to say thank you a lot for looking after and helping all the elderly people at the care homes. So what I've done is I'm going to sing you a song called Salvation as a gesture of as a gesture of thanks, and I really hope you like it. And if you'd like to hear more music of mine, I've got an Instagram page which is Sirine_music, where I put out a lot of covers and original songs. But this is Salvation.